Katulad nung una kong pagsasalita before that, I always involve the community in my concept of maintaining the peace and order situation in Zamboanga City. At I have to prioritize the orderliness of the road.
Okay.
It must be passable by all by the public para sa ganun ay makita natin yung ating mga police. Isa din yun sa police visibility concerns that because of this illegally parked vehicle, hindi na actually nakikita yung police natin. Second is with the information or text messaging about explosions. I am requesting the public to help us inform the police on the suspicious looking persons, abandoned motorcycles, abandoned baggages para ma-check to na ating mga tauhan. Third, please observe also the traffic rules and regulations. And secondly, doon sa mga wanted persons natin, thirdly, yung mga wanted persons natin, for them, tama yung sinabi mo, if they could surrender, then we would appreciate para mapabilis po ang proseso natin.